Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another video. Today, I am super excited. We're taking a look at the #1 selling travel trailer that gives you the biggest bunk room in the entire country. This is the 2021 Forest River Wildwood model 31KQ BTS. We are gonna take a look at the outside features first, then the inside features, then we're gonna give you 3 things we love about this travel trailer and 3 things we dislike about it. We're starting in 3, 2, 1. Hey everyone, again, welcome back to another video. My name is Matt from MattsRVReviews, Towables. It's the world's only channel giving you the true and biased review about everything when it comes to travel trailers, fifth wheels, and toy haulers. And again, today I'm super excited to be taking a look at the 31KQ BTS, one of my favorite floor plans. But before I begin, I would like to say hi to Will. Hey Will!
Hey guys!
How's it going?
Good. Beautiful day here in Indiana. And
we're in Ohio, Will. We're in Ohio.
Yep. Long day in Ohio as well. But anyways, this is definitely one of the most popular travel trailers out there, and excited to take a look. Yep. And for those of you who are wondering, the Wildwood is the sister product to the Salem. That's
and
right.
Both of them are going to be model 31KQ BTS. Let's begin. Model is 31KQ BTS, but the actual tip-to-tip length of this travel trailer is 36 feet 6 inches. The dry weight is 8,650 pounds. And Will, the hitch weight?
905 pounds.
Awesome. Always remember, you always want to get weight distribution bars. Up front here, we do have a nice power tongue jack right here. 2 20-pound propane tanks go here, can be upgraded to 30, and your batteries do go right behind you. Now, this is an entry-level unit, so you do have the aluminum corrugated sides. Right here, it is a black diamond plate rock guard, and this is smooth aluminum. Here is the aluminum corrugated sides, and it does have a wood framing. That's why these are referred to stick and tin. But let me tell you, it's definitely a higher end entry level. It's just not insulated as well. But let me tell you, you're gonna get a lot of higher end amenities in this unit, and at a phenomenal price point. That's what makes it sell so well. Right here, you do have, wow,
that's a lot of
huge
storage.
pass-through storage. I love that. It is prepped for solar right there if you do want to have a little panel. And then this one I was talking about, Will. Electric stabilizing jacks. I love that.
Yep.
Features like that is what makes this sell so well. And then look at this huge power awning with LED lights. So nice.
You know, I think the new Wildwoods are heated in and closed, aren't they? Or no? I thought I heard that somewhere.
We won't say it because I don't see a sticker, but it might be.
Okay.
But still, even if it is heated and closed, it's still
a basic.
Yeah.
You know.
Right here we do have our solid steps. Very nice, very solid. And right over here we have your water heater, outdoor speakers and everything. Here's a place for you to fill up your potable water. Potable. And then right here is just a power outlet for the outside. Oh, look at these tires. Well, they're the Castle Rocks. I love those. ST225-75R15. Very nice. And then check this out.
This is what makes it, or part of what makes it, amazing.
That is nice. Nice big outdoor kitchen. You have a sink that's actually plumbed through, an Everchill refrigerator. What a great name for a refrigerator.
Yeah.
Not Hot Point. What a dumb name for a fridge. Very nice outside kitchen. And it does come with a propane quick neck. Oh, for your grill. That goes on the back right there. I love that. Grill on the back. There's your second stabilizing jack. Everything. And this grill does swing out like that. Very nice. Coming around the back, it is prepped for a Furrion backup camera right there. Nice bumper for your Stinky Slinky. It also holds your grill, and it holds your spare tire and spare tire carrier. Finishing up, 30 amp power cord right here, 30 amp unit. Right here's where you hook up your city water, and then here's your cable. Very good. Wow, look at that. Black tank flush right there. And then look at that. That's where you dump your tanks. Not a bad position. I mean, look how big these slide outs are.
Yeah.
So it's really not horrible right there.
Right.
I've seen them put it right in the middle. So really not that bad. And then finishing up, we got some more storage right there. Well, Will, the outside of this travel trailer looks great, but the inside looks even better. Let's go take a look.
All right.
I almost can't skip anymore. Check it out, Will.
All right. Here's the bedroom up here. Living area, dining area, and kitchen here. Bathroom right here. And the bunk room back here.
Awesome. Let's get started with that back bunk room. That's why people want this unit.
Definitely.
Will, look at this.
It's amazing.
The word is amazing. So, you flip this up, you lock that in, and then you have a sofa right here. This sofa also folds out to make a
nice big bed, really.
Nice big bed, okay? Then, above the kitchen, you have another bed right here, and that's normally where the story ends.
Right.
But because of the double slide out, they were able to give you a quad bunk.
Very nice.
Would you look at that?
Would you look at that?
So nice, so nice. You do have carpet back here. We have some storage. Look at this huge storage.
Yep.
Huge storage. TV's in a... You breaking it, buddy? Oh, you stood on the vent.
I stood on the vent.
You scaring me. Right there. And the drawer's there. And yeah, a TV goes right there. Very nice. And here's the best part to the bunk area. A door.
That's right.
To shut those kids up. Over here, in the living room area, we have the nice U-shaped dinette. This is called the Versa Lounge. We'll demonstrate it in a second. Love the U-shaped dinette. I love all the windows in here. This is, believe as big as it is, it's still very small for a lot of people. But the windows just really opens it up.
Yeah,
nice big light, windows. Makes it bright, makes it a wonderful travel trailer. Over here, we do have some storage here. And then our sofas over here, right? This does jackknife to make a bed. That also drops down to make a bed. And then we do have our privacy blinds right here. I love the color.
Yeah. The
color does look great. And then our entertainment goes over here. No TV, trying to keep the price point down. But you got storage there. Furrion soundbar. Greystone fireplace. Man, more storage there. And then Will, why don't you demonstrate the Versa Lounge for us? Go, Will. So here's what we mean.
So you pull that off.
Pull that pillow out.
That out of the way. This lifts up.
Good job.
This should shift. Sometimes it's easier just to lift it out of the way first. Actually, I don't think you can do that on this one. Turn this around here. This one will slide in there, and that one you kind of have to wiggle in. There you go.
What? You're not done yet?
Nope. This will come in here. And last, this fits in here.
Great job, Will. Now sit on that and relax. Look at that. So nice. So cool. Right. I love that feature.
Yeah, it is very nice.
Well, Will, it's now time for the MSRP. MSRP on this travel trailer here is not bad at all. $40,768 MSRP, y'all. Sale price, as you can see right here, because it's a 2021, we don't advertise sale price. But Will, sale price is going to be phenomenal on this.
That's right.
And it doesn't matter what the sale price is. We'll be able to get everybody an even better price in the country by doing this. Just go to MattsRVReviews.com, link down in the description below, and go to the Contact Me tab. You'll then see 3 options. Option 1 is you're ready to buy, you're ready to talk turkey, and you're ready to get the best price in America. Click that. It will take you to a form. Fill out that form on General RV's website, and that will get you
best price in America.
Option 2 is you're close to buying and you have some questions comparing this unit against another unit, or you have questions for me and Will. Click that second one, and Will and I will either call you, text you, email you, or FaceTime you. Or you have option number 3, and that is you're not ready to buy, and nothing's wrong with that. Do that one. We just don't get back to you right away, but we promise to get back to everybody. And it doesn't matter if you select option 3, 2, or 1. What's the one thing that applies to all 3?
Get you the best price in America.
Dang right, Will. And connect with us on our Facebook group, Club Art Deco. Will,
right.
Let's continue the video.
All right. All right, so pretty good kitchen. We'll start over here with the Ever Chill refrigerator.
Nice.
Which is a, what am I drawing a blank? Is that it?
Compressor fridge.
Compressor fridge, okay.
Yep, very nice.
So yeah, nice compressor fridge. It's already getting cold. That's a nice thing with the compressor. All right, Greystone microwave, just a small microwave.
Yes, sir.
A hood range here.
Hood range.
And a nice 3-burner stove top.
Yes.
Who's that made by? Also by Greystone. I like that.
Yep, very nice.
And oven. And it does have the blue lights.
I like it.
All right, coming over here. All right, so storage up above here.
Yes, sir.
Not solid surface counter. Not disappointed at all either.
Nope, not at all.
A little bit of a nice backsplash here as well.
No, it looks good for sure.
Yep. I just mean there's not much of a backsplash.
Yep, I'm liking the gray look there.
Yeah. 2 double sink. You know, with nice faucet.
Yep.
And oh, that's nice. Drawers here. Built-in drawers. And storage right there.
Awesome. It's now time for the tall test, Will.
All right.
Oh, speaking of, for those of you who don't know, we are now selling Will tall test stickers. Bing! We started it last video. We only have 50 of them. 100% of the money goes to this man right here. And it's a limited edition sticker. It's only $9.99. We really want people to buy them, so I had to bribe you with a free bumper sticker as well. So thank you, everybody. Well, thank everybody for buying.
Yes, thank you for buying.
Yep. Link down in the description below. Because, Will, how much am I paying you?
Nothing.
Nothing. Please buy a sticker, please. Please buy a sticker, please.
All right. This shower actually passes.
Wow. Very unique for entry-level travel trailer. Very nice shower. New improvement for 2021, I see.
Definitely.
They did not have that liner right there before.
Right. And it's small, but they did do this, like, radius.
Andrea calls that a Nautilus shower door.
Nautilus, yeah.
Yep. Ow. Oh.
What?
I just hurt my finger.
Oh.
I just closed it in the door.
Oop.
Yeah,
that opens.
Oh. Well, that's stupid. All right. You got a sink right there. Storage underneath there. And, Will, it's now time for the toilet test.
All right.
Plastic. Whomp, whomp, whomp. Not a problem, not a big deal, y'all. Again, this trailer is to have the most, to sleep the most at the least.
Right.
You know, I'm not even mad at that. Great size shower, though, I must say. Finishing up with the master bedroom. I love this. Very nice. Good size bed, plenty of walk around. I like it. We do have storage above.
Yep.
We have that storage right there. Notice how there's, so you can put stuff in here in like a little cubby hole. I like that. Good stuff. You got a TV that would go right there. Queen size bed, not the biggest, not the smallest. And then, wow, look at that.
That's cool.
So we have the storage that connects to underneath, and then the bins right there as well. Very nice.
Yep.
And there's also USB on the sides right there.
Right.
Well, Will, that's it. That's the review. Now, before everybody leaves, it's now time we give you 3 things we love about this travel trailer and 3 things we dislike about it. Will, what do we do first?
3 things we like.
Okay, I'm gonna go first.
Okay.
I love the Versa Lounge.
Yep.
It's so cool and neat. It's so in the ingenuity. Most of the time, people are not going to be using the U-shaped dinette and
Right.
the sofa. So to have that option to get more seating area, I really, really do like that in this unit.
Yep.
So that's 1. 2.
All right, I'm gonna go with storage. Overall storage in here is phenomenal. You had the storage in the bedroom.
Yep.
You have storage here. We missed it, but there's storage under the chairs there.
Yep.
Under the dinette, you got a pantry there. Tons of storage in the bedroom.
Yeah, I would say
everywhere you look, storage.
there's not a ton of storage in here.
No.
Well, there is here, but really, yeah, to get the storage back here
yes,
is so nice.
there's an adequate amount up front. There's a lot out in the back, I would say.
So there's just as much up front as any other travel trailer.
Yes.
But most of the time, these bunkhouses, you don't get this type of storage. So it's phenomenal. So that's 2. And then 3, I'm going to have to save this bunk room, Will.
Yep.
To get 4 beds, to get all this sleeping area, to get the double slide outs, and to get an outside kitchen.
Yep.
Phenomenal.
That's right.
Enough said. So that's 3 things we love about it. Now it's time for 3 things we don't like about this travel trailer. Bum, bum, bum. You ready for me to go first?
Sure.
Carpet.
Yeah.
Carpet. 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 Alright. Don't like the carpet. Don't like the carpet. That's number 1. Nothing else needed to be said. Will, do you have a number 2?
I do.
Talk to me.
Get it?
Well, you better remember it. Number 2.
Number
Dislike.
What is it? Oh. This big trailer.
Oh.
Only 1 AC.
Yes. I
Now,
didn't
given
want to
that-
say. No.
Yeah.
It's
What?
30 amp.
They do make it with the 50 amp option.
Thank you, Will. Okay.
So, if you're gonna order one,
Hey, that's why we have Will on the show.
yeah. If
I'm
you're
like,
gonna
don't.
order
I'm like, don't say it. It's only 30 amp.
one-
Okay, so there is the 50 amp option.
There is, yep.
Okay.
And then obviously with the 50 amp option, you have the option for the second AC, which I would highly, highly recommend for a big trailer like this, especially given the insulation. It's not going to be the best insulation, you know,
Correct.
out there.
Yep.
It's
Awesome.
an entry-level trailer.
Awesome. Man, good job, Will. So I'm gonna do a number 3. I'm gonna give you 3. This medicine cabinet is really stupid.
Yeah, that's weird.
It's stupid, it's plastic, it's cheap, and what's this gonna do? You know what this is gonna do? I'm gonna hook onto this, I'm gonna freaking grab this, and I'm gonna rip the whole thing off the wall.
That's right.
But I will also combo it, because I feel like that's not dumb enough for its own thing. So I will combo it with the heat ducts in the floor right there.
Yep.
Especially with kids and dogs. Their feet are gonna get muddy and dirty and filthy, and that's just, it just is what it is.
That's right.
Let's step outside, Will.
Okay.
Oh, I want to give one more like. I love all the high-end features on this entry-level trailer.
Yes, definitely.
Well, Will, that's it. That's the review. Thank you absolutely everybody so much for watching. If you're in the market for a travel trailer with bunk beds, in a few seconds you're gonna see 2 videos right here of units that I personally recommend. If you want to buy this unit, or if you have questions, or if you just want to chat with me and Will, make sure you go to MattsRVReviews.com and click the contact me form, and you will see one of the 3 boxes. Again, it doesn't matter where you are in the buying process. If you're ready to buy, if you're getting ready to buy, or if you've already bought or never gonna buy, doesn't matter. Just select the box that's right for you. You contact me and we will get back in contact with you in a timely fashion. But the one thing we'll always do,
get you the best price in America.
Oh, well, it's the end of the day. We gotta go now. My voice is killing me. Will, do you have anything you want to say?
Sure. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like I said, very popular trailer here. Hope you guys liked it. Leave in the comments below. Let us know what you liked and didn't like. And join us on Club Art Deco.
Yep.
Hit the thumbs up button and we'll catch you next time.
Yep. The only thing you've got to tell them is subscribe. If
That's
you like
right.
this video, please subscribe. Check out our other channel, Matt's RV Reviews, where my wife and I review motorhomes as well. Thank you absolutely so much for watching. Check out another video. We'll see you next time.